kawan-kawan, tadi bakal Ketua Menteri Pulau Pinang ada berucap, kawan-kawan, dia ada berucap ke atas banyak tajuk. Apa yang penting kawan-kawan adalah ini, dalam pilihan raya yang dijadwalkan pada 5 hari bulan Mei. Ini bukan satu pilihan raya yang biasa. Kawan-kawan, ini adalah kali yang 8 saya akan bertanding sebagai calon parti DAP. Umur saya 72 tahun sekarang, kawan-kawan. Orang Cina cakap lang lao. Bola. Sembola. Ini kali, kawan-kawan, dan ini adalah kali yang terakhir. Di mana 3 parti yang kuat, DAP, PKR, dan PAS. Dalam masa lampau tidak boleh mimpi parti DAP dan parti PAS boleh kerjasama. Tetapi sekarang, kawan-kawan, ini ada jadi satu keperluan di mana kita akan lawan sebagai satu. Saudara Lim Guaneng ada menyatakan tadi, Moksani Mahathir, orang yang kaya sekarang, lepas pilihan raya, lepas Pakatan Rakyat jadi kerajaan di Putrajaya, kawan-kawan, bukan Moksani saja, Mahathir Mohamad akan jawab. Akan jawab ke atas menyalahguna kuasa. Dalam 22 tahun dia memerintah negara ini. Dalam tahun 1987, kawan-kawan, operasi Lalang, Lim Guaneng masuk aku, Lim Kit Siang masuk aku, saya pun masuk aku. Kenapa masuk aku, kawan-kawan? Tidak ada sebab. Tapi apabila kami menubuhkan satu kerajaan di Putrajaya, saya bagi amaran kepada Mahathir Mohamad dengan lari dari negara. Jika jantan, jika ada hut, jangan lari. Don't run away. I appeal to Mahathir Mohamad, be a man. Don't run away. You must answer for all you have done in the 22 years of your reign of this country. Bukan dia sahaja, kawan-kawan, Rosma pun akan jawab. Ini Rosma, kawan-kawan, adalah orang jahat dalam negara ini, bukan Najib. Najib boleh dimaafkan, Tetapi dia tidak boleh dimaafkan kerana mengadakan satu istri sebagai Rosmah. We will be fair. There will not be a witch hunt when the Pakatan Raya takes over the federal government. But there will be a hunt for people who have been plundering this country. We want just 5 years. Kawan-kawan, apa yang kami mau adalah 5 tahun saja. 5 tahun mencukupi untuk menunjukkan kepada negara ini bagaimana Pakatan Rakyat sebagai kerajaan pusat boleh memerintah negara ini. Kami terima kawan-kawan Dato' Sri Anwar Ibrahim sebagai bakal Perdana Menteri negara ini. Barisan kawan-kawan menyatakan Anwar Ibrahim orang ini tidak boleh dipercayai. Anwar Ibrahim adalah seorang tidak bermoral. Kawan-kawan, saya ada mempertahankan Dato' Sri Anwar Ibrahim dalam mahkamah. Dia ada dituduh bukan satu pertuduhan saja, macam-macam kawan-kawan dia hadapi. Tetapi di atas isu ini 6 tahun dalam Sungai Buloh, 6 tahun penjara. Tetapi orang ini adalah orang yang handal, boleh diterima sebagai bakal Perdana Menteri negara ini. Now I defended Anwar Ibrahim. Number of cases he has faced, he has been cleared by the court except for one false charge of corruption way back in 1999. Not monetary, there was no money, nothing but a fixed up charge, in prison for 6 years. All that must now be made clear to the country, so that when Anwar Ibrahim takes over as Prime Minister of this country after the 5th of May, we can have a government led by him, a government which this country can be proud of. Di Pulau Pinang, kawan-kawan, selepas 2008 di Pulau Pinang, kami mengadakan satu kerajaan negeri yang baik, kerajaan negeri yang ada diketuai oleh Lim Kuan Eng, kawan-kawan. Ini Lim Kuan Eng bukan orang biasa. Ini pun orang yang handal, boleh diterima sebagai Ketua Menteri Pulau Pinang, bukan dalam 5 atau 10 tahun hadapan, tetapi selepas itu pun boleh. Orang ini orang kuat. Tomorrow is nomination day. But 48 hours before nomination, obstacles are being placed in the way of the DAP. There is a likelihood that tomorrow returning officers in the country will be ordered not to accept the DAP's rocket as a symbol in the election. The rocket is the soul of the DAP. Kawan-kawan, roket ini adalah roh kepada parti DAP. And we will fight all the way to ensure that the DAP exists, that the rocket is not taken away from us tomorrow. However, if it does happen that the rocket is not accepted, then us as offered to the DAP that we can use the moon as our symbol. That would be here in Peninsula Malaysia. We are not forgetting PKR. PKR is another loyal component of the Pakatan Rakyat. The PKR symbol will be used in Sabah and Sarawak in the event the rocket is not allowed to be used. Now from what I see, is more than 50,000 people here. And I think this is a clear sign. A clear sign that not only Penang will be won, not only 5 states are going to be won in the coming elections, but at least 8 states and the federal government. As I said earlier, all we want is 5 years. The Barisan has been given more than half a century. Half a century of plunder. Half a century of injustice. If we are placed in power in Putrajaya, we are going to make changes. The judiciary, for example, there will be changes in the judiciary to ensure that there is proper justice dispensed by courts throughout the country. We cannot expect and would not want to expect people like Augustine Paul, no doubt he is dead now, but a judge who brought disrepute to the judiciary. Judiciary, my friends, is only one area where we intend to, as the government in power in Putrajaya, to cleanse. There are other areas. The civil service, education, for example. Lately, UKM has been placed 87th out of 100 rankings of Asian universities. 87th out of 100. Singapore is number 2. Number 1, the University of Tokyo. Number 3, the University of Hong Kong. We want our citizens to have the best education that can be given in this part of the country. We must do better. Better, if not out to Singapore. Singapore, at our doorstep, is an example of a government which we can emulate. The DAP is, in fact, at one time, PAP. Here itself, Lee Kuan Yew had the opportunity to address perhaps a crowd not as big as this, way back in the elections in 1964. We are emulating what Singapore is doing, and there's nothing to be afraid of. The government intends to say the DAP is for Malaysia, and therefore they are in fact the stooges of the PAP. We are not. The DAP is a party of principle, a party you can be proud of, a party which together with PKR and PAS in the coming elections will demonstrate to you what we can do. Give us a chance. Then we given 5 years. Just 5 years. And after those 5 years, if you find that we are not doing better than the Barisan, then you can have change of government. But a change is necessary. A time has come for a change of government, just like that change here in 2008 in the state of Penang, a change now at federal level in Putrajaya. I appeal to you. I appeal to all of you in the coming elections to make sure that the Pakatan Rakyat parties win big. You gave us all the support you could in 2008. Please come out once again, and support the Pakatan Rakyat. We have today here lined up candidates who will be introduced to you shortly. Candidates who have been handpicked, candidates who are of caliber, candidates you can be proud of, candidates you must return on May the 5th when you cast your ballots. With those words, I thank you, and I hope you will give us all the support in the coming elections. Thank you.
Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, satu tepukan gemuruh kepada pengurusi DAP Malaysia.
我们再以热烈的掌声感谢我们的全国民主行动党主席Kirpan Singh. பேருரை ஆற்றிச் சென்ற ஜனநாயக செயல் கட்சியின் தேசிய தலைவர் கர்பால் சிங்கிற்கு ஒரு பலமான கைத்தட்டலை கொடுங்கள்.
Seterusnya saya menjemput Dato' Dr. Mansur Osman, pengurusi perhubungan PKR Negeri Pulau Pinang.
தொடர்ந்து மக்கள் நீதி கட்சியின் பினாங்கு மாநில தலைவர் டத்தோ மன்சூர் ஓஸ்மான் உரையாற்றுவார்.